Hello and welcome to our video on pyramids. Pyramids are some of the most fascinating and impressive structures in human history, built thousands of years ago by ancient civilizations around the world. In this video, we'll explore the history of pyramids, their architecture and construction, and their significance in human culture. Pyramids were first built by the ancient Egyptians around 4,500 years ago as tombs for their pharaohs and queens. The most famous of these pyramids is the Great Pyramid of Giza, which is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Pyramids were also built in other parts of the world, including in Mesoamerica by the Maya and Aztec civilizations, and in ancient China. Pyramids are characterized by their shape, which is a polygon base with triangular faces that meet at a single point at the top. The base can be square, rectangular, or even circular, depending on the culture and the purpose of the pyramid. Pyramids were typically made of stone or brick, and their construction required a great deal of skill and labor. For example, the Great Pyramid of Giza is estimated to have required the labor of around 100,000 workers for more than 20 years. Despite our modern understanding of pyramids, they still hold a certain level of mystery and intrigue. There are many theories and conspiracies surrounding the construction and purpose of pyramids, ranging from suggestions that they were built by aliens to wild claims about secret chambers and hidden treasures within their walls. Pyramids were not just impressive architectural feats, but also powerful symbols that held deep meaning for the civilizations that built them. The design and construction of pyramids had a profound influence on the architecture of later civilizations. Elements of pyramid design can be seen in structures ranging from the ancient ziggurats of Mesopotamia to the towering skyscrapers of modern cities. Despite their massive size and impressive construction, pyramids are also vulnerable to natural and human-made threats such as erosion, earthquakes, and looting. Efforts to preserve and protect these ancient structures are ongoing, with many organizations working to document, study, and conserve pyramids around the world. Pyramids continue to attract millions of visitors from around the world each year, with many traveling to Egypt, Mexico, and other countries specifically to see these ancient wonders in person. The tourism industry around pyramids has had both positive and negative effects, bringing economic benefits but also putting additional strain on these fragile structures. Despite the fact that the civilizations that built them are long gone, pyramids continue to leave a lasting legacy on human culture and history. They inspire awe, wonder, and fascination in people of all ages and backgrounds, and continue to be studied and admired by scholars and enthusiasts alike. The construction of pyramids required a high level of engineering skill and knowledge, particularly when it came to transporting and placing massive blocks of stone. Some pyramids, such as the Great Pyramid of Giza, are still considered marvels of engineering today. The construction of pyramids had a significant impact on the environment, particularly in terms of deforestation and erosion. The transportation of materials and the movement of workers also had an impact on the surrounding ecosystems, and may have contributed to changes in local climate and water systems. Many pyramids were not standalone structures, but were part of larger complexes that included temples, causeways, and other buildings. These complexes were often designed to facilitate the religious and social practices of the civilization that built them, and can provide important insights into their culture and beliefs. While the construction of massive pyramids has largely fallen out of favor in modern times, there are still examples of pyramid-shaped buildings and structures being built today. These range from the playful to the practical. While the most famous pyramids are located in Egypt, there are actually many other pyramids located throughout Africa, including in Sudan, Nubia, and Meroe. These pyramids were built by different civilizations and may have served different purposes than the Egyptian pyramid. The construction of pyramids required a high level of engineering and technical skill. Different civilizations used different techniques and materials to build their pyramids, ranging from the use of mud bricks to finely carved stone blocks. Some of these techniques and tools are still being studied and debated by scholars today. Building a pyramid was a massive undertaking that required the coordination of thousands of workers and the careful management of resources. From quarrying stone to transporting materials to carving and placing blocks, every step of the pyramid building process was carefully planned and executed. While the basic pyramid shape is instantly recognizable, there are actually many variations in pyramid design, both within and between different civilizations. These variations can include differences in the size and angle of the pyramid, the use of different materials, and the inclusion of additional features such as ramps, chambers, and decoration. While much has been learned about pyramids over the years, there is still much that remains unknown. Ongoing research and excavation at pyramid sites around the world are revealing new insights into the construction, purpose, and cultural significance of these ancient structures. As technology continues to advance, it's possible that new discoveries and understandings of pyramids will continue to emerge. In conclusion, pyramids are some of the most impressive and enduring structures in human history, representing the skill, ingenuity, and cultural significance of the civilizations that built them. Whether you're marveling at the Great Pyramid of Giza or exploring the ruins of Mesoamerican pyramids, these structures continue to captivate and inspire us today. Thank you for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed learning more about pyramids.